Asitha, Indian. I am a third year CSE student of Transcript Engineering College from Chennai. I am from Chennai. I have completed both RF CSA and RF CE exams through Advantage Pro and Vector companies. So they have offered us an opportunity to serve as technical training support in different colleges for conducting RF CSA training. We help students from Sairam Engineering College in Chennai. We help them to learn about RF CSA and we help them during their lab sessions. It was a great experience. It gave me a lot of exposure to students from different districts in Tamil Nadu. So I thank Vector and Advantage Pro for giving me this opportunity. This actually helped me gain a lot of knowledge in RF CSA. So I can very confidently say that I have the best knowledge in RF CSA through this internship opportunity. So I thank Vector and Advantage Pro for this opportunity. Thank you.